finish slide 4, you're ready to move on to slides 5 and 6 of your All About Me presentation. And of course, we're going to go to my bit page, we're going to go to due dates, and we're going to click on the All About Me presentation assignment so we can open up the requirements and see what we need to do on those slides. So we're going to go to enter instructions again. We're going to click the big green button that says presentation requirements. And we are now going to focus on slides 5 and 6. So slide 5 is kind of similar to 4. It's about favorite things again. It's your favorites. Now this is going to include the title, My Favorites, and a 2x5 table. We don't even need a text box. Right here are the instructions on how to insert a table. We're going to go to the top of our screen and click on Insert. We're going to choose a table, and we're going to choose a 2x5. So in this table, you're going to just write 5 of your favorite things that you have not already told me. I already did my top 5 favorite movies, so I'm not going to tell you my favorite movie again. Maybe I tell you my favorite drink, my favorite, video game, my favorite place to visit, my favorite color, my favorite animal, something like that. So we're going to go over here, and I'm going to go to slide 5. It's called My with a capital M, Favorites with a capital F. We do not need this text box. I'm going to click in the text box. I'm going to click on the text box, and I hit backspace, and it's gone. So we're just going to go up to the top where it says Insert. We're going to look for a table, and you're going to do a 2x5, which will say 2x5. So you're going over 2, down 5. And you can see at the bottom of this window, it says a 2x5. Let's say that you do too many, like a 2x7. That's no big deal. Just go up here, hit undo, try it again. Insert, table, we go over 2, down 5, and click it. Now you can move this table around, just click on the edge, and on one side I'm going to put in what my favorite, kind of a title, and on the right I'm going to answer what it is. So like for example, I could say favorite drink, and what's cool is I can hit tab on my keyboard so I never have to move my hand off my keyboard. Favorite drink I could say is a cherry limeade. Those are yummy at Sonic. And then I hit tab, and I can go to the next one. Maybe I say my favorite sports team, and I like the Kentucky Wildcats. I can hit tab, and I'm just going to share 5 favorite things that I have not already, said in previous slides. Let me see. So, I could now look up pictures of these. One of the things I could just go over, open a new tab, and I could just look them up on Google if I want. So I could say like cherry limeade and go to images and find a picture, drag it up, drag it down, and I got that. And what I could do is add an image of each of my 5 things, and you might need to fit them along the bottom. They don't have to be real big. You can move them around the screen because the table takes up a lot of room, but I could try the logo maybe of my team. And again, you don't have to do the 5 things I'm doing now. You can share whatever you would like that you just haven't already shared in your presentation. So I'm going to look up these 5 things, and then we'll move on to slide 6. So I like sushi, and I could put that in. And we'll get a picture of that. This is pretty lovely. Yes. We'll drag that image up and drag it down. And again, they might be kind of large, so we just resize them so they fit. on our slide. And now we have Florida. And maybe just a picture of the beach is fun. And then maybe slide it down here. And maybe I slide this over here. And there we go. So that's all you do for slide 5. Now we're ready for slide 6, and we're going to go over here and look at what's on slide 6. Now, slide 6 is kind of fun. This is your choice. It includes a capitalized title, and you can do whatever you want, something you haven't already shared. This could be another bulleted list. It could be another top 5 list. It could be another table. It could be another short, paragraph like we did with my family. A lot of times kids will just make one that says my pets, and they will add, a short few sentences about their pets and put real pictures of their pets. And again, I'll show you later how to add pictures from home from your phone. So we do have to follow that 5x5 rule, but you can kind of do whatever you want. And so an example of something I like to do is just say best places to eat. And I capitalize that title. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to do bullets. Now, notice I did not say top 5 favorites, so I'm not going to do a numbered list because this list doesn't have any order. I'm just saying, hey, here's 5 places I like to go eat. So how do we spell shallows? Maybe like that. And so remember what we always do. I'm going to highlight these. I'm going to make them like 5 times bigger. And I'm going to just go find pictures of these places. And I'll probably have to go over here. And the first 2 are places I like to get sushi at. Ichiban Japanese restaurant. And that is... There's one kind of in Indianapolis. I'm not sure which one is exactly the photo, but we'll go with this one for now. And we'll just start adding pictures of my 5 things, and I'm done. So we can look each of them up. And again, you can do whatever you want on slide 5. It does not have to be best places to eat. It could be something else. I've seen people, again, they talk about a vacation, or they'll say my softball team, and they'll talk about, what their softball team did, or their basketball team over the summer, something they did. So you can do whatever you want on slide 6. I saw someone do my drawings, and they used their Chromebook camera, and they just had a bunch of pictures of drawings they had done out of their sketch pad, and it was pretty cool to see their drawings. So, and I'll have to figure out if I'm spelling shallows right when I look it up. Looks like I am. And we just have one more picture, and we will be done with our first 6 slides. And it'll be Arby's, which is nice. I mean, we sometimes settle for McDonald's if we're out on the road and you just need something to eat. But I would prefer, Arby's if I could choose. And sometimes you can't because you got to get something quick. But there are my, 5 best places what I think to eat. And again, you can do whatever you want on slide 6. That's how you finish slides 1 through 6 of your All About Me presentation.